Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory, where sweet dreams turn into reality. In today's video, we are stacking up something irresistibly cute. Tied mini cake towers. From elegant wedding style stacks to colorful party minis, let's check out 20 creative design you will absolutely love. The first one is classic white and gold mini towers. Tiny tree-tied cakes with white buttercream, golden beads, and pearl toppers, a mini version of luxury wedding cakes. The next is floral garden mini stalk, decorated with buttercream flowers on each thighs. These look like a blooming garden in cake form, soft, pastel, and romantic. The next is pastel rainbow stacks. Each tire has a different pastel color: pink, blue, yellow, finished with white cream and rainbow sprinkle for a fun twist. The next is vintage lace style cake. Mini cake stacked and decorated with pipe lace, patterns, pearls, and soft rustles. Rosettes, perfect for vintage themed tea parties. The next is chocolate drizzle towers. Three tied layered chocolate cake with ganj dripping down each tire, topped with mini chocolate bars and curls. The next is strawberry chocolate shortcake minis. Layers of sponge, fresh cream, and strawberry stack into tall minis, fresh, fruity, and picture perfect. The next is ombre buttercream stack. Gradual color fade from bottom to top. A soft ombre look with soft buttercream and delicate flowers. The next is mini wedding cakes. Favors. Elegant with white mini towers with silver accent and initials. Perfect as individual guest cakes at weddings. The next is cartoon inspired cake towers. Add some fun with cartoon character between tiers, great for kids' birthday or theme parties. The next is metallic marble tied minis. Combine marble fondant with hints of gold leaf and metallic shimmer for modern and chic desserts. The next is unicorn mini cake stack. Unicorn horn and pastel rainbow frosting tied with sparkle for that magical touch. The next is berries and cream towers. Vanilla layers with fresh cream, blueberries, raspberries between each tied, a juicy and elegant design. The next is minimalist bento style. Clean pastel tie with short message on top, simple and stylish, perfect for gifting. The next is butterfly garden mini stack. Decorated with edible butterflies flying up each tie, look like a spring garden in full bloom. The next is neon drip party towers. Bright neon buttercream with contrasting black and white gun strips, gold and eye catching. The next is rose gold glam minis. Tire cakes with rose gold blush accent, metallic leaf, soft pink frosting, glam in mini form. The next is tropical fruit mini cake stacks, topped with pineapple, kiwi, mango, and coconut flakes. Bright, sunny, and deliciously exotic. The next is mini macaron cake, tire cake. Add macarons between tire or on top. Colorful, crunchy, and elegant all in one. The next is whipped cream cake tower. Light sponge and whipped cream layers with sprinkles and cherries. Fully fluffy and dreamy. The next is personalized mini tower. Add name, initials, or any tiny edible photo for a custom mini cake experience, ideal for special occasion. Which type mini cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below or take a screenshot of it for your next birthday. Click the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.